Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're going to make Bang Bang Chicken. That is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. Sriracha. I have in here minced scallions and garlic. Sweet chili sauce, salt, ground onion powder, mayonnaise, cream cheese, flour, white wine vinegar, chicken stock, broccoli, chicken, panko breadcrumbs, oil, and brown rice. Now, this is the first step we're going to do. I have the chicken here, and we're going to put the mayonnaise in this bowl with the chicken. The sriracha. And half of the flour. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we mix all of this up together till it's well coated. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We let this sit here, covered up for about 2 minutes. I have a saute pan here, and we're going to turn it on medium high. We're going to add some oil to the pan. And we're going to let it get hot a bit before we add the chicken in. Now, we're going to add the chicken to the pan. We're going to let it get golden brown on one side before we flip it. That should be about 3 minutes on each side. Well, it has cooked enough, and now this is what we do next. We sprinkle some flour in the pan, and we stir constantly. Now we're going to remove the chicken from the pan. And now we're going to add the chicken frothy. I'm going to stir this up. Now, this is the next step we do. I have a bowl here. We're going to Add the sweet chili sauce. The rest of the sriracha. The white wine vinegar. The cream cheese. Salt. Onion powder. Scallions and the garlic. We're going to mix all of this up together. Now that everything in here is combined, we're going to add the next ingredients. The chicken broth. The chicken. The broccoli. The rice, the brown rice. And we're going to mix all of this up together till it's well coated. Now, we're going to put this in a baking dish. Spread it out evenly. We're going to set this to the side, and then we're going to come back and make the topping. Now let's make the topping for the casserole. The panko breadcrumbs. Add some oil. And we're going to mix this up together. Now we're going to sprinkle the panko breadcrumbs over the top. I have my oven set to 380 degrees, and I'm going to pop this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Here you have it, Bang Bang Chicken Casserole. Enjoy. Let me give you a little taste of it. Hot. Nice and creamy. You can taste all the seasonings of the sriracha and the chili, sweet chili sauce. The broccoli, you can taste that also in it. Very tasty. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.